CMA EXPO is back. Join us on April 10th to 12th at the Toronto Congress Centre for Canada's official mobile electronics event. This year, we're going bigger than ever, expanding to over 60,000 square feet of exhibits, training, and innovation all under one roof. Here's your chance to grab the early bird special. Register for the 3-day pass and unlock exclusive access to the Mobile Solutions Masterclass with industry icon Brian Schmitt, as he dives deep into advanced enclosure design across 2 incredible sessions. Connect with over 100 top brands. Get hands-on with manufacturer trainings, workshops, and in-vehicle sessions, all built to help you level up your skills and your business. So don't wait. Early bird registration is now open. Head to cmaexpo.ca and secure your spot today. CMA EXPO, where the Canadian 12-volt industry connects.